Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. When climatologists think water, they think water year, and that is the rainfall that occurs from October 1st through the following year and ends on September 30th. A map showing the climate divisions of Oklahoma shows how this last water year was one of the driest on record. Going back to 1921, for 89 years, we can see that the Panhandle, the West Central, the Southwestern, and the Central areas all came in as the driest. We also have on the map the percent of normal rainfall for that area, and you can see the Panhandle at 41, down to the southwestern part of the state, the driest, only 39% of their normal rainfall. As you move off into the central part of the state, you can see second driest periods for the north central and south central areas, and then off into the northeast we finally get into 10th and 11th driest, and their percentiles of normal rainfall go up to about 70%. And then the southeast, back again with the other groups, third driest on record since 1921. Turning to a map of percent of normal precipitation for the Mesonet sites across the state, we can see a little bit more detail. That southwest region, 20 to 40% of normal. As we move up into the orange, 40 to 60%. On to the east, 60 to 80%, and then finally in the northeast, a small area with 80 to 100% of their normal rainfall. Those were the percentages of rainfall at the Mesonet sites across the state for the water year from October 1st, 2010 through September 30th, 2011. Here's the actual numbers of rainfall. Hooker came in the lowest, only 5.2 inches of rain during that last water year. Alta 7.2. As we move into the central part of the state, Norman recorded 19.5, and off to the east, Westville came in with the highest amount of rainfall at 48.4 inches. Cindy, those were some low rainfall amounts. What does October look like this year?
Hi, well, taking a look at what we can expect for October, the Climate Prediction Center calls for an increased chance of above normal temperatures for the eastern two-thirds of Oklahoma, with equal chances of above, below, or just plain normal temperature in the white shaded area. As for rainfall, the eastern one-third of Oklahoma has an increased chance for above normal rainfall, while again the white shaded area indicates equal chances for anything. Looking ahead through the end of this year, we expect western Oklahoma to have above normal temperatures, with the best chances being in the darker shaded areas, and a chance of below normal precipitation, again with the best chances in the darker regions in southeastern Oklahoma. Well, that's all we have for this week's Mesonet Weather Report. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next week.